IIT comes with a prestige, right? So the name itself speaks for it. I believe it's one of Asia's first program that has this curriculum that is set. So yeah, this is exactly what I was looking for. My name is Tushar and I'm enrolled into MBA Tech program here at IIT Jodhpur. I have an experience over 5 years in working with different EdTech sectors. So right now, what I saw with the revolution of AI, industry is changing very rapidly. So implementation of AI, and there is a gap between those industries and implementation of those AI. What I found in this course was a bridge to meet those parts. You can actually learn and implement those things into enterprises or different organizations. So that is what I liked about this program, and there are many new jobs certainly with AI. So it's not that it's gonna take over, but you just need to upskill with the right set of things so that you can attain a good job. And this program offers an insight over all of those. You won't find AI courses anywhere, right? It's an awareness that Futurance is creating, and it is the requirement of the industry. I would surely recommend them. It is gonna change the industry, and we are on that brink wherein AI, if you learn it, so it will help you, but if you don't, it will surely crush you. So you need to learn through this program, and Futurance has done a very good job in this.